I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp cocktail sauce. Gather ketchup, horseradish, lemon, Worcestershire, hot sauce, and seasonings. I will walk you through a simple base, then show 2 easy variations for milder and spicier tastes. You will learn quick tips for texture, chilling time, and how to balance sweet, spicy, and tangy notes. By the end, you'll be ready to serve a sauce that elevates any shrimp. In this section, I will explain the key ingredients and why they matter. We focus on ketchup for sweetness, horseradish for heat, and lemon for acidity. I'll tell you exact proportions to start with and how to tweak them for personal taste. We'll also cover optional ingredients like smoked paprika and a touch of sugar if your ketchup is very tangy. These choices make the sauce pop with shrimp. In this segment, I will help you make the sauce step by step with confident timing. Start by whisking the base ingredients until smooth, then taste and tweak with tiny adjustments. I'll suggest how long to chill and how to test for perfect balance between sweet, tart, and spicy. I'll also give quick fixes if the sauce is too sharp or too mild, so your shrimp cocktail impresses every guest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.